Hi, this is Lana Lisa Williams, aka Survival Woman, and I'm going to share with you some food hacks that I use for Sam's Club and Walmart, my two favorite stores, because they're cheaper. You can get better quality stuff at Sam's Club, for example, plus 2% back if you're a Plus member, and Walmart's generally cheaper than most supermarkets unless you're really into coupons. So I buy from those two places, and I made this healthy lunch using just 5 ingredients. First one is, I gotta turn this around, hang on. First ingredient is Nature's Harvest 100% whole wheat bread from Sam's Club. It's not a very large bread, which is good because you don't want a whole bunch of bread if you're trying to watch your weight. The second thing is from Walmart, sliced Swiss cheese in the big pack. Third thing is, well, this one I like. This is really weird. Mango salsa from Sam's Club. It's really nice. It's a little spicy, not too spicy, sweet, and healthy. Who would have thought mangoes, red chili peppers, and tomatoes, and all kinds of stuff like that would taste so good? And the last one, how do you like my shoes? Is spinach artichoke dip from Sam's Club, showing the members mark trademark, which means it's their own brand and you save money. And this is a kind of, I'll turn it around so you can see, it's a kind of white dip with actual spinach and artichoke in there, so it's healthy. So I put all that together and I made a sandwich. And with the sandwich, a side of salsa instead of a side of chips. Okay, so here, I'm going to show you my sandwich now. Turn the camera back around. So here's my sandwich. I've eaten part of it. So there's the bread. It's got nice healthy seeds on it. You see I ate most of it. And on one side I put the mustard. Yeah, I think I showed you the mustard. Did I show you the mustard? Maybe I didn't. Okay. Honey Dijon mustard, great value, the trademark of Walmart. That I also use. It's a good price. All right, so the bread with the honey mustard on one side, and on the other side, I put actual spinach and artichoke dip on the bread, and then 2 slices of Swiss cheese, which is actually easy to make but healthy, because the bread, as you can see, it's not that big. It's compared to my hand. It's not a really big slice, so you're not getting too many carbs. Pardon my handle on my phone. And as a side, I put the mango salsa as a dip into a cute little bowl I got from Walmart. And that dip, I just use a spoon and just eat it straight up plain. I don't need to use fattening potato chips or tortilla chips to dip in it. So those are a simple, easy hack you can get from shopping at Sam's Club and Walmart. And I hope you're having a great day. This is July 18, 2021 in very hot Central California, where it's getting up to 104 degrees, which isn't as bad as like a couple of weeks ago when it was 111 and 113. So I'm in my room, don't want to go anywhere. I hope where you are, you're having a good day and finding nice, healthy food to eat at a low price. This is Lana Lisa Williams, Survival Woman, wishing you a happy rest of your summer. May we all survive the heat. Bye.